Always remember, this is the most important to when we are going to write the chemical equation in the word form. Then there is some rules to we have to follow that. First step of writing a chemical equation is to write a word equation by using the name of the concerned substance. Means when we are going to write the chemical equation, then we have to use the name of that substance. When the chemical formula is written in place of each of name, it becomes a chemical equation. Means firstly write the chemical equation in word form. Then use the chemical formula for each and every chemical substance. Then original substance are written on the left side and newly formed substance are written on the right. And arrow is drawn in the between. There are the two substances are present in word equation: original substance and new form substance. The original substance is right on the left side of the equation, and the new form substance are right on right side of the equation, and between that the arrow is there. But the arrow head is always pointed towards the newly formed substance. Arrow indicate that direction of reaction, means the reaction is take place from original position to the new form position. Means new original substance towards the newly formed substance. Substance written on left side of arrow are original substances that take part in the reaction. They are called reactant. Means those substances are we have to write from for left side of arrow is called reactant, and new form substance result of this reaction are called product. Means original substance are called reactant and newly formed substance are called product. Place for the product of reaction is on right side of arrow. There are so many chemical changes we have to see in our day-to-day life. It may be in body, in our home, in our laboratory, in our daily routine. There are some natural chemical changes and some man-made chemical changes. So first we have to see natural chemical changes. First one is respiration. We know that respiration occur in our body continuously. In this process, we inhale the air and exhale the carbon dioxide and water vapors. After an in-depth study, it learned that the glucose in the cell react with the oxygen in the inhaled air to form carbon dioxide and water. So for that, the chemical equation is, first we have to write in word equation. Glucose which are present in the cell react with the oxygen. The oxygen is present in inhaled air and the respiration take place, and from that the carbon dioxide is formed in exhale process and the water vapors. And its chemical equation C6H12O6, it's a glucose. O2, it's oxygen. It gives carbon dioxide CO2 and water vapors H2O. Then here one reaction is given with the carbon dioxide, calcium hydroxide. It gives calcium carbonate and water. This chemical equation is for when the calcium hydroxide is prepared in is dissolved in the water, and when we blow the air in that solution, then the participation of the calcium carbonate is formed. Then another natural chemical change is photosynthesis. You know that in a photosynthesis, the green plant perform photosynthesis in presence of sunlight. A word equation and the chemical equation unbalanced can be written for this natural chemical change as follows. Word equation: carbon dioxide with the help of water in the presence of sunlight and a green plant, they are produce a glucose and oxygen, and for that the chemical equation is CO2 means carbon dioxide, H2O water in presence of sunlight, and green plant it gives glucose C6H12O6, and the oxygen is O2.